Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure FreshBooks for invoicing, complete guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the FreshBooks homepage. Log into your FreshBooks account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, locate the dashboard on the homepage. On the left-hand menu, click on the Invoices option. In the Invoices section, find and select the Create Invoice button. You will now see a blank invoice template. Start by entering the client's name or email in the Bill to section. If the client is already saved, their details will auto-populate. Next, add the invoice date and due date. Proceed to the Invoice Items section. Here, enter the details of the products or services provided. For each item, add a description, quantity, and rate. The total amount will automatically update based on your entries. You can also apply any discounts or taxes if applicable. Next, customize your invoice by adding your logo. To do this, click on the Settings menu on the left side. Select Design and then Invoice and Estimate Settings. Upload your logo in the designated area. Once your logo is uploaded, return to your invoice. Click on Preview to check how the invoice looks with your customizations. If everything appears correct, click the Send button. You have the option to send the invoice via email directly from FreshBooks. Alternatively, you can download the invoice as a PDF for manual distribution. After sending, you can track the status of your invoice in the Invoices section. Here, you will see whether the invoice is sent, viewed, or paid. If a client has questions, you can communicate directly through the platform. Lastly, ensure you maintain records of all invoices for accounting purposes. You have now successfully configured FreshBooks for invoicing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.